In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and instead of using Facebook app, I recommend you to open up Facebook Messenger app, because that's the easiest way to change profile picture on both Facebook and Messenger app without notifying anyone. So here, guys, once we are at Facebook Messenger app, we need to tap right here at these three lines first, and after that tap at that gear next to your name here. Then tap at your profile picture and then either choose a take photo or select choose from library. I'm gonna choose the second one. Now we can select any picture from our camera roll. I'm just gonna select some picture, let's say that one. Now we can crop it in that way, and then once I hit add done, down below it will say that your Facebook profile picture will also be updated, and this update will not be shared in feed. To save this profile picture, I'm just gonna hit right here. As you can see, now it says saved, and then we can head over to Facebook to check if it works or not. As you can see, I've just changed my profile picture on Facebook without notifying anyone. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.